cut, do it again. Okay. This is harder than it looks. Okay. What's going on YouTube? My name is Jackie, or Miss JDH is what my channel's called. It's been about 7 years since I have recorded a video for YouTube. I had a really small channel years ago documenting my natural hair journey. And it's been about 7 years since I recorded and uploaded a video. So I'm kind of trying to get back into it. Although my channel will not strictly be based on hair care this time around, I will update if that's something that you guys want to see. I have been natural since 2011, and I have, a few years ago, I did reach waist length hair. So if you're interested in how I achieved that and the steps that I took to maintain that length, please let me know, and I have no problem updating you guys on that. But this time around, my channel is going to be geared more towards lifestyle, home stuff, family stuff. I have a husband. We've been married about 10 years. I have a 5-year-old girl and a 1-year-old boy. So you'll see them kind of in and out of my videos, a little bit of decorating, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I hope that you guys join me on this journey. I hope that you guys like and subscribe, and I hope that we develop a nice little fun little family community here. So I hope to interact with you guys, and I can't wait to start uploading videos. Bye!